And I'm now very happy to welcome Mr. Mauro Grossi, our Group CFO. Mauro, as we've just learned, we have a shiny brand new Hangar 5 ready to welcome more aircraft. Do we also have enough people to manage all of these projects?
Yes, we have enough people, and we used, of course, the time of the construction to employ additional staff. So on day one of the opening, we were full of projects and also full of new employees working on these projects. And as we heard already before, we are constantly growing, and as for that, we also grow the number of employees. And all motivated people are welcomed to join AMAC.
As we've seen in the last few months, the pressure on companies and enterprises worldwide is huge. How do we manage to navigate through these uncertain times?
Thanks to our financial strength and the strong workload and backlog, we were able to concentrate on two major pillars throughout the time. One was the implementation of the anti-COVID measures to avoid interruption of the operation or stoppage of areas of the company. And the second was to secure the company also for the future by increasing our backlog with additional projects. And we succeeded in doing so, so we are now pretty safe for the coming years, also in operation. As for the anti-COVID measures, we requested a lot from our employees in terms of commitment, in terms of motivation, and they answered magnificently. So we never stopped our operation throughout the time. We had every department in the company stayed open throughout the time, so we could work as in normal times. So a great thanks to our employees for that.
What entailed our protection program in detail?
So due to the nature of our business, meaning the maintenance people, they have to be on the aircraft, the upholsterer needs to be on the seats, the engineers have to work with the mechanic which work in the hangar, and so on. We were not able to send just people at home into home office, so we had to implement a lot of measures to ensure that the operation on site in the hangars could work. Meaning, besides all the authority requirements, we all know, the masks, distancing, disinfection everywhere, we implemented shift work in condensed working areas like in the hangars, in the workshops. We implemented also then at a later stage our own test center where the people could go and test if they have any symptoms. We tested people coming from outside so that nobody could bring in the virus. And we started in the beginning of the year, so much before it was a request from authorities with the mass testing. So we tested every week all employees on the virus. Luckily, we could keep the virus away from our company, and there was no spread within the company which forced us to stop working or forced department to stop working. So we were very lucky in that sense.
Thank you very much, Mauro.